Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about blunt bob haircut ideas. If you like clean, sharp and modern hairstyles, then the blunt bob is a great choice for you. A blunt bob is a haircut where the hair is cut straight across. There are no heavy layers at the ends. This makes the hair look neat, thick and strong. It gives a bold and confident look. One of the best things about a blunt bob is that it makes hair look fuller. If you have fine or thin hair, this haircut is very helpful. The straight ends give the illusion of more volume. Your hair looks healthy and decent. Blunt bob haircuts come in different lengths. You can choose a chin length bob for a bold style. You can choose a shoulder length bob for a soft and elegant look. Both styles are trendy and stylish. A thin length blunt bob looks very modern. It highlights the jawline and neck. This style is perfect if you like a fashionable and agile look. It works well with straight hair. A shoulder length blunt bob is great for everyday life. It is easy to manage and style. This length looks professional and classy. It is perfect for work and casual outings. Blunt bob haircuts suit many face shapes. For round faces, a longer blunt bob looks best. It helps make the face look longer and slimmer. For oval faces, almost every blunt bob style works well. If you have a square shape, a blunt bob can look beautiful. You can add a slight side part to soften the look. This balances strong jawline nicely. The haircut still keeps its clean shape. Blunt bobs also look amazing with bangs. Straight bangs give a bold and stylish look. Side bangs add softness to the haircut. Curtain bangs create a modern and trendy style. This haircut works best with straight or slightly wavy hair. Straight hair shows the sharp cut very clearly. If your hair is wavy, the blunt bob looks relaxed and chic. Light styling can help keep the shape neat. One great thing about a blunt bob is low maintenance. You don't need heavy styling every day. A simple blow dry or flat iron is enough. This makes it perfect for busy routine. Blunt bob haircuts also look stunning with hair color. Solid colors look very bold and classy. Highlights make the haircut more stylish. This haircut suits almost all face shapes. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.